Meaning of France.
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 France. France is a country located in Western Europe, bordered by Belgium, Luxembourg, Germany, Switzerland, Italy, Spain, and the Mediterranean Sea. With a population of over 66 million people, it is the largest country in the European Union. France is known for its rich cultural heritage, including art, music, literature, and architecture, as well as its famous cuisine, wine, and fashion industry. It is also home to many iconic landmarks such as the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre Museum, and the Palace of Versailles. France has a long and complex history, shaping its political, social, and economic systems today.